Ellipsis back again, yes, and that's gonna be good enough. And so what we're doing is I'm going to show you how to build a decent starting base. So I was going to do a video where we fought some guys and had it all recorded and everything. Then when I went to edit it, I forgot to turn my microphone on for the editor or the recorder, and that I didn't like that. So what you can do is you can place this onto it, then you place some caps, then you upgrade this to max. Okay, so now that that is complete, you might think, well, we should hook this up. Well, no. What you should do is you should get a distributor cap, which if you go to Iridium, then Special, then Tech, then you can get a distributor cap. You place that on top of here, because then that will go to there. And even if all your pipes are destroyed, this won't leak. And you need your spawn point to be safe like that. So now what you want to do is you either want to build defenses or tanks. Since I'm not getting attacked, I'm going to do some tanks. So what I'm going to do is Iridium, tanks, and then I will do 3 standard tanks for a couple reasons, and I will get to that. Reason number 1 is that they are the most efficient tank to actually use, because it uses, I'm not going to show you the reservoir, or I'm not going to show that stuff, but if I can find it, there it is, gauge. So the gauge right here, that is 660 iridium, and if I make a large tank, which is 4 times as much, and I put a gauge on it, that one is only 1,100. So 1,100 for 400 iridium, or 660 for only 100 iridium. If you can do some maths, then you know which one's better. I'm just going to destroy this because large tanks are a disgrace. Don't use large tanks. They're the least efficient. Okay, so then you connect the standard tanks up, like that. And then they instantly start filling up. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to make some defenses. So if you go to military, weapons, defense, you can build a turret. You can build an arc turret, which I would recommend putting down here. Or you can build a point defense. That one's going to take a while. Okay, now that the point defense is done, what you want to do is, since this is just a starter base, it's not really a full base, you're going to want to put a distributor cap. Now, distributor caps are smart for these turrets because these don't take that much iridium. But for these, you're actually going to want to connect it with a pipe, because that is more direct iridium going to it. Now, for these, again, just a distributor cap. The good thing about these ones is it will destroy any satchel charges, which I will get to in a second. And it'll also attack through the walls. These, if someone went under here, those couldn't attack it, but if they came in, they would get zapped by this. Okay, now, so these are filling up, and in the meantime, I'm going to build a arsenal. So if I go to military, production, arsenal, that's how you get an arsenal. So I'm going to put it right here, right next to the spawn, so you can spawn in and instantly grab a weapon. Now, I'm going to briefly go over most of these weapons because there's a lot of them. So I actually went over all of the weapons in the arsenal in my arsenal video, which if you're subscribed, you can get too easily. So go check that out.